Welcome. If you want to turn off Google Assistant on your Vernee smartphone, at the first you have to go for the Google application. Next you have to click on the left upper corner when we have to go for the settings. And right now let's click settings from the Google Assistant. When you find this one, you have to find the devices section and then click on your phone. And as you can see here, we get the switcher. So when we turn it off by clicking on the switcher, it is not going to help with answer and our questions and get other things done. So that's how we can turn off Google Assistant on the Vernee smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.